In this video, we're going to look at how you may add an extra page into the collection that we have copied for our placement. So you will see that the placement only has one weekly journal page. What we will do is we will look at adding extra journal pages, one for each week as an example. So previously we copied a collection. Now what we're going to do is copy a page. You'll see here we have pages that are shared with the group, and these are some example ones that I shared previously. But here is the weekly journal template that we need to copy. So if we click on that, again in the top right, if we click copy, and just delete the part that says template, we could call this week 2 if we wished. Again, if we add a description, it appears at the top of the page. Tags allow us to find it later if we have a lot of pages in our Mahara system. And again, we can change the layout, but that should only be done once you've got your content in, because the key is making sure the content is there. If we hit save, we now have a copy of this page, and we can edit different parts of it. And once we're happy with how we have edited it, if we return to pages and collections, and we click on the collection that we copied earlier, and we then click more options and manage. At the bottom, we'll see we have the weekly journal week 2. And if I tick that and add it, it now has added to my collection. And if all I have to do then is move it up to the correct space. And that's it now in its correct space. We have contextualization, weekly journal week 2, and we'll just repeat that process for week 3, 4, 5, and however many weeks we would be on placement. If I hit done, we'll see now that if I click in my collection, I have week 2 that I can jump to. And that is how you add extra pages. You can do that with any type of page and add it in at any point. But again, we are looking at just ensuring that you can update weekly based on your placement.